Hey there, buddy. You're looking peaceful. Such a good friend. Look how beautifully the water flows.
It's making such big splashes.
This will help our crops grow strong.
Look how it's bubbling. Want to help stir?
It's beautiful out here, isn't it?
Yeah, Dad, I like it.
Me too, buddy.
This looks wonderful.
It does. Thank you.
I'm so hungry.
Here you go, sweetie.
Wow, look at all the trees.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
The fresh air feels wonderful. Let's go explore. I'm helping, Papa.
Good job, son.
We're a good team.
What a beautiful day.
Yes, Grandpa, it's so fun.
Our little family.
I love you.
I love these moments.
Me too. It's so peaceful.
Look at the rain.
It's beautiful.
This is perfect.
It's the best, Papa.
I'm glad you both like it.
We do. This is fun, isn't it?
Yes, splash. Oh, water.
All right, here we go.
It's raining so much.
Yes, but we are together.
We will be fine.
Look, it's glowing so bright.
It is, my dear. You're very careful.
A true helper. We're proud of you.
Grandfather, Mother, look what I made.
Oh, how lovely. Show us.
Wonderful, my boy. Let's see.
Here it is.
Oh, look at you glowing so brightly. Where are you going, little one?
It's almost ready.
It smells so good.
Patience, little one.
He can help stir.
Can I?
Of course.